Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and one of those will be the screen recorder. Now it might not be on the first page, so swipe to the left till you see the toggle. For me, it is on the third page right over here. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. You can choose also if it's going to record the entire screen or just an application, if it's going to record a circular kind of camera feed somewhere on the screen, which can move around, and also show touches on the screen, which will be recorded as a semi-transparent gray dot. I'm going to keep it as it is. Select start recording. This begins a 3-second countdown, and then with a notification, starts recording. So whatever I'll open up right now will be recorded by the phone as long as the app isn't protected by some BS kind of logic. For instance, like, can I just, there we go, use a lock screen maybe? No? Oh, there we go. So this probably will be protected. It's Amazon. I can already guarantee that they will be completely ignoring my privacy. And even though I don't have an account, or did I install this, or agreed to terms of service, they don't care. They're just gonna go on their merry way, just completely blatantly ignoring that this is my phone, and they will be changing the settings for it. So you can see we have some kind of login page right here. I'm gonna check for one more app just in case this one actually isn't a scummy trash. Well, there's no Netflix here, unfortunately, which would have been a great showcase. But anyway, hopefully this one works. So anyway, once you're done recording, you can click on the square to stop it. When it stops, it automatically saves the screen recording to your Photos application. I don't want notifications, it's Photos, come on. Next we're gonna go to Collections, and here we should have a screenshot, I assume? Nope, not screenshots, videos. Nope. Okay, I know what's happening. So someone in the office is recording some video on, I guess, how to change the, where this is getting saved or whatever. Typically this screen recording would go to your either screenshots album in your Photos or videos, but whoever's recording something is completely blatantly ignoring that there are other people working here and just not changing it. So I'll be showing this in a bit of a different way as a notification, which I can just open up one time. Save screen recording saved, you can see it right here. If I tap on it, it's going to open it up because it is somewhere on the phone. I just have no clue where. So let's see if music is being recorded. No, it's not, like I assumed. So yeah, Amazon doesn't care about my privacy, being my privacy, because it's not up to me what my phone can do, it's up to them now. Yay! So you can see, previously we had a login page somewhere right here. We don't, because that's just how this works. You know, your privacy and security is what matters here, and you have none right now. But I'm kind of showcasing this, and I'm kind of putting emphasis on this because there's literally no information that this is happening while you're recording. So you might be recording some kind of application for some time, just to then finish, try to play it back and realize that all you have is a black screen for recording and time wasted because your phone didn't even notify you that whatever you're trying to record is being blocked by a garbage application. So yeah, I just kind of want to point that out, but majority of the applications will be recordable, so you don't need to worry about this that much. It's primarily the trash that wants your money, primarily as a subscription, that will be completely ignoring your rights. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.